Welcome back to Wtdu, where our goal is to teach you about the products not only that we manufacture, that we also sell. These are going to be general products available for use on your vehicle. Today, we are going to have some fun as we want to discuss one of the major suspension components on many of the vehicles that you currently drive. Today's lesson is going to have a ton of information, so we're actually going to break this up into 3 parts. That way you can just digest all of this. I want you to get the most out of it and really enjoy WTDU.